In our last screencast, we talked about using color from the dominant image, which was this. We took the red and the blue off the glasses and put them into the text. And we talked about proximity, putting things that belong together, close together, alignment, for instance, sharing edges or invisible edges here. Contrast, supersizing things such as letters, and repetition. Repetition of color happens in this case. But remember, PARC can be used for all the elements, and that's not just text and color, but that could be size and other things. So real quickly, I want to start talking about logo making. Hopefully I'll get some more examples of how to do logos, but using what we have here so far, I think we're close to having a logo, and a logo is a brand for an image that gets repeated. And so this, if this was the logo, then I would probably put this on each slide, and so then you have repetition again. I think what I would do just to finish this off would be to maybe put a little image right in this empty space here and consider putting a box around it, although we have to be careful about boxing everything. So I'm going to go to Insert and choose Screen Clipping. I've already found an image that I'm going to use. I got a hockey helmet. Remember to give attribution where you got this, where you get your images from if you've not created them yourself. And for school purpose, we can do this. All right. So there's the hockey helmet. I could think about supersizing it bigger, perhaps. Maybe something like that. Maybe I am looking at breaking the alignment here, so actually throwing in a curve or a contrast here in the look. Or I might try to fit it within the alignment that I have. So what I mean by that is, again, sharing an invisible edge with all of this, and up here, well, it looks like it's a little high. All right, not too bad, I think. And that could be it. I could think about maybe turning that image around, flipping it, rotating it. Maybe that. Actually, I liked how it was. I think I'll go undo on that. I could maybe tilt it a little bit using that rotation handle, something like that. I could think about boxing it, though it's kind of a lazy way to create a focal point. Let me add a shape here. I mean, when we're in a hurry, putting a box around something does make the viewer look at that area because you have a shape guiding the eyes, but sometimes that's just too easy and there's too many boxes around things, so we have to be careful about too many boxes. I'm going to send that backward, and I'm not sure I like that color. One reason I don't like the color is, now think about the lack of contrast. We have a dark shape and we have dark text, so you don't have enough contrast there, so I'm going to have to make that lighter. I go shape fill. I could put a gradient on it, I suppose, something like that might work. Okay, so could do something like that. Now I'm not happy with the line drawing or clip art that I put in. I might instead bring this into Photoshop first, take out the background, save it as a PNG, or try removing the background using the PowerPoint tools that we have available. For instance, if I go to Format, there's Remove Background, although this is going to be a tough one because it'll remove all the white, and so I'll have to touch that up. But those are some ideas on how to create a logo. I'm not saying that's the only way to do it, but those are some thoughts. So give that a try, and I'll try to follow this up with some more suggestions on how to create logos. Creating a logo is is kind of tougher than it looks. It does take some trial and error. All right, good luck.